Hey friends, it's Lena from Wisco Bujo and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be unboxing your Creative Studios February 2022 subscription box. I've been eyeing this box for a while and I finally took the plunge and bought the box for the month of December. So you may be a little confused here, but something went wrong with their December box orders, so they sent the February 2022 box in place of the December box. And I was actually quite happy because I ended up liking the contents of this box a lot, and maybe the December one would have been closer to a winter holiday one, but I love butterflies, so let's get started with opening this box. Oops, that was my bad there. Their boxes are usually non-holiday, but I meant like maybe the December box would have been more like wintry, and I think butterflies are a little bit better since spring is coming and they're more versatile when it comes to vintage mail. First up, we have these whimsical, colorful butterfly stickers. I think they are the PET material, so that plasticky, transparent material, which is really pretty. It's great for layering if you want to see through some of your back material, like vintage book pages or text or etc. Then there's this cute little bookmark. I think I'll use it for like a vintage butterfly theme flat lay. I definitely have a butterfly theme coming up in the future, probably for the month of May. So this subscription box is going to be perfect for that. Now we have this box of vintage labels. I believe they're stickers and they're just kind of a bunch of different shapes of styles of vintage labels. These are nice for layering because they have this nice border, and then you can use those girl type stickers to put it over the sticker and kind of seems like there's a border around the girl sticker. You can also use them for address labels or return labels. Now we have these butterfly stickers. I think they're just normal sticker flakes of different types of butterflies, and they're really cute and pretty. I don't really use this type of material sticker, so I'm not sure where I'm going to use it yet, but usually this type of sticker is great for sealing envelopes on the back, you know, where the envelope closes, and you can just use it as a nice like envelope seal. Seeing them now again, they are the perfect size for an envelope seal and the shape as well, just because of how the envelope is shaped with the triangle type flap. Now I have these sticky notes. It's just the same exact sticky note design throughout the whole package, so I'm not going to open it for this video. And here is the cling stamp for this box. I believe that every single one of their subscription boxes come with a cling stamp that pertains to whatever the theme is. So of course this cling stamp here is a butterfly, so we have a large one, and then we have this cute little size one that's like the size of my thumbnail. So when I was doing this unboxing, I realized there were two packages of cling stamps, so you'll see here now that there are two of each and they're the same exact design, so I'm guessing they just kind of messed up and included two cling stamps, which is fine for me because I'm just going to give it to my friend. Next up, we have this package of book type pages. They're kind of like a textbook, looks like engineering type textbook pages, and they're kind of brown and tan, so they're this great vintagey color. So usually when I do layered mail, I use that as a background. Now we have this butterfly ephemera pack. Sorry. All right. Y'all, I mess that up every time. I always say ephemera. I'm pretty sure it's ephemera. I don't actually know what the correct term is for it, but whatever. Anyways, this ephemera is just absolutely gorgeous. Just look at the colors and the beautiful vintage background with that tan, and kind of looks like a stained color. Then we have another package of stickers. So these are stamp style stickers, and they have designs of different bugs and butterflies and dragonflies and all that such with the nice vintagey type color style. I slowed this down a little bit because I was going through it pretty fast and I feel like I didn't show exactly all the contents of these stickers, but they're really nice for layering, and it's nice if you use an envelope that you don't actually use to address to your pen pals, so you could use it as a fake stamp if you put one envelope, like a decorated envelope, inside another. Some people's pen pal style is to send a decorated envelope inside a regular one to make sure that it arrives at its destination. I just send mine as is. And then we have this gorgeous sticker sheet. Just Look at it, it is like chef's kiss, just stunning. I think it's made of washi material. Back to my decorated envelope spiel. So people ask me how I send my envelopes even though there's decorated papers and stuff all over it. Usually I include a address label on it that is very clear and you can read all the letters and words on there very legibly, and I just put packing tape over it to ensure that all the pieces stay on the envelope. Okay, moving on. We have this big ephemera pack, or maybe it's like a note sheet pack because they're very large, like 4x6-ish large. But these designs are really pretty with, you know, the vintagey background papers and text and, you know, the florally type look. This last one here looks like I could actually write a note on it, but the other ones I feel like I'd have to write around it, or it's probably just good to use as like a cover of something. Lastly, we have this handmade paper pack. They are about the size of a 6x6 paper, and it's super pretty and it's nice and thin with little pieces of leaves and flower petals. So it's gorgeous and it'd be perfect in like a junk journal type, you know, layering scheme. Overall, I really like the content of this box and I feel like I got a lot for the amount I spent. In this case, I believe I spent $30. I think this box prices went up probably to accommodate for shipping or something, just because, you know, shipping is expensive. But I do feel that it was worth the price that I paid, and I would pay even $40 for a different box. I hope you liked watching me unbox this Your Creative Studio subscription box, and let me know in the comments if you'd buy it yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!